Good, good, good morning, guys. How are you? How is your morning? How is everything, guys? I'm telling you, my friend. For me, my morning is super, 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 super amazing, guys. It is just an amazing morning over here in Samburu. We are in Isiolo County. So today I've just woken up. I've done everything. I've taken shower. Is it shower really bath? Yes, I've done like everything, almost everything. And let me tell you guys, this is my first time to try camping and everything, but I think it is one of the best experience I've ever had. It's all right, I have traveled, but the fact that I have done camping, I feel as if I have achieved something this year, man. Yeah, because I've never ever done camping, and I have always gotten scared when I hear people saying, we are going camping and everything. So when yesterday we were given the tents and everything, we were trying to construct them and everything. It was like, gosh, how am I going to do this? How am I going to really manage? And the tent you are sharing two of you, so you are given a tent, mattress, and a blanket. I'm telling you, these guys, we traveled with Touch World Tours, and for me, that's a thumbs up, man, because they are so organized. They are so prepared or in anything. Like, they are so good. Like, even the food that they offered to us, it was well cooked. Everything was just well organized. So for me, I would recommend it to you guys. Touch World Tours, they have really different offers every I think it is every weekend. So the experience was really amazing. It wasn't really haikuwa na bugdha. Mswahili mimi, haikuwa na bugdha yoyote. Mimi nililala, like I slept like a little kid. I slept like a kid and woke up like a kid and woke up like a king. Yes, guys. And so the next thing that we are going to do right now, we are going for a game drive, but we are being told that I don't think we will be able to see elephants because this place haven't rained, but up on the hills the rain has been there, so the elephants have moved from this place to the hills. But for me, I just want that, the thrill of just, going for the game drive with everyone, you get. Yeah, so I'll be able to show you. I will call it a tent tour. Yeah, after we come back, after now the game drive, after we come back, I'll be able to show you guys. So let me show you how we were camping over here. It looks really amazing, guys. Over here, how was your experience camping over here?
My experience was so good. It's something that you can repeat again and again. Yeah, so it was very nice, especially sleeping in places where you can hear voices of Afisi.
Yes. I know, because for me in the evening I was kind of super scared because of the hyena. before I went to sleep, I was extremely afraid, but when I slept, I was like, acha tu nilale, si watu wote wamelala, acha mimi nilale. So it has been really an amazing experience, even for me, because I've never done this before. It is my first time to do camping, and it is really nice. So the next thing that we are going right now is we are going for a game drive. So what do you tell these guys?
For game drive, I expect to see the big five. They are saying here at Samburu National Reserve that there is all the big five.
Yeah.
Excluding the rhino.
Rhino, yeah.
So I'm expecting to see each and every big five that is here.
Yeah.
Yeah, it is a good experience. I can encourage people. You should
all come to this place, by the way. And so tell them to subscribe to my channel, by the way.
Yes, subscribe to Miss Unice channel.
Yeah.
Share, comment,
like,
and
subscribe. Let's go for the game drive. We are back from the game drive. I'm telling you, this place is so hot, extremely hot. We have been able to see actually elephants and different kind of animals, as you can see here. Yeah, so I feel just honored to have made it this far, to have come here and did the game drive and everything in the I can term this place as a desert, but no, it's okay. So so the next thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna go swimming, but for me I'm not gonna do swimming because I told you in the morning what happened yesterday. So some people are going to swim, then afterwards we start our journey back to Nairobi. Oh God, if I was so I'm vlogging. So guys, yes, as I was saying, guys, I will be going back, like we will start our journey back to Nairobi in the next couple of hours. Then we will start our journey, go back to Nairobi. Gosh, but wow, this place is really nice. Also, if you have company, good company, good music, good food, good everything, yeah, it's fun. It's an amazing place for you to come. I would recommend it 100%. Yeah, so if you want to come to this place, get in touch with different tours company. They will bring you here and you will have really good time over here. I have been able to do a lot over here. I have at least I have breath. I mean, breathe. I really wanted different climate from Nairobi. I needed, another place whereby I can have, just another climate. Let me just say bye to you guys. I will see you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe, to like, share, and keep positive vibes. Bye!